Jackhammers are hopping hand glides with no free hand assist. First, review your hopping hand glides. Start off in a hand glide position with your right hand tucked under your body. You'll begin hopping by pushing up with your right hand and pumping with your right leg. For hopping hand glides, you use your left hand to help you spin. For jackhammers, you no longer use your left hand. You'll bring your left hand to your side and continue hopping and turning on your right hand. Hopping hand glides. Body supported on right hand, using your left hand to spin. Then bring your left hand to your side to execute jackhammers. Your right hand turns every time you hop. Go into hopping hand glides. Start the spin by pushing with your left hand. When you have enough momentum, bring your left hand to your side. Notice how your right hand pumps up and turns on each hop.